Happy Rainy Tuesday, family. So, with that being said, I hope you guys can hear me. I don't have a mic or anything on me. It's raining outside, and I wanted to talk about ways to save money watering your gardens. Now, I'm in my greenhouse, and I don't have any water set up to it. But what I typically do when I know it's going to rain, I will put all my plants out and let it get rain that way, or I will run the water hose in the window and water my plants. But seeing that I have so many plants now, sometimes that's not feasible. So it's raining today, and I bought 2 portable water barrels from, the brand is Vevor. I can't remember if I got it off of Amazon page or the Vevor website itself. I'm not sure how many gallons this one is. I think it might be 53 gallons. But it comes like this, folded up nicely. Came with a bag with the attachments, which is just like feet and a couple of poles. So I'll show you guys how I put this together. I already have one set up in my garden area. But basically it unfolds like this. It's just a heavy, I don't know what you call it, rubber or polyethylene type plastic. It has the spigot spouts and everything attached to it. So 2 of those, and it has a zipper top, right? And it has another little overflow valve there for the water to go out. And it has a zippered covering. You can see the zipper right here, and it just basically 360 degrees. It has openings right there to keep out the breeze, as well as to let the water get in. So it's real easy. At the bottom of the barrel, it has holes. And this one came with 6 of these. I guess they're stands, and they're the same on both ends, rounded. And you just stick them in this little hole around. So the reason why I'm talking about watering is everybody is looking for ways to water their plants without spending extra money on their water bill. So again, what I have done, let me put these away. What I have done, and I have been looking, maybe just like a lot of you, looking for rain barrels or those, what do they call them, ICBI totes, those big white totes. But over the years, they have become so expensive, and it's not cost effective. So this is one way that I have found. Not saying that in the past I will not get other rain barrels, but for now, this was my my workaround. So as you can see, as this little stick goes in, it kind of helps stabilizes the barrel. Go to the next opening and do the same. And again, there are 6 of these openings, which allow you to put the post in, the stands. It might go better or faster if you have somebody to help, or had I opened it out beforehand, before I started this video, it would have been easier. And also keep in mind that this barrel is pretty substantial, meaning it has weight to it. So it will not be easily blown over, so that's a plus once you have your water in it. And the other one went pretty quick. It's It's not hard. So hopefully I can have this finished by the time this video ends, and you can see how quick it is to install. I don't know where you guys are, but I am in Georgia, and it's been raining since last night, pretty heavily. Watched the news briefly, and there are a lot of the interstates that were flooded due to so much rain in such a short period of time. And what a better way to get water for free. But again, a lot of, if you guys don't know, a lot of states and municipalities, it's against the law, why I don't know, to collect rainwater. So you might want to check in your areas to see if you can even do this, because as crazy as it may sound, in some areas, it is against the law. This is one way that I have found to water my plants, and it works. So the other one that I have out in my garden, I have a watering can, and I'm looking for like an attachment to put a water hose to it. So all I can do is just turn on the spigot for it and just water the plants that are out there. But for this, I have a gutter on that side of the building that I will be attaching this to, and I'll just open up that window or that door and bring my hose in, and I'll be able to water my plant that way. And another way that I water my plants as well is, being in the southeast, it gets very humid in the summer. And I have dehumidifier. So when my dehumidifier gets full, I have a bucket that I pour the water in, and I think it's about, the dehumidifier container is about maybe 2.5 or 3 gallons, maybe more. And I just pour that in a bucket, and I take that bucket and I use that bucket of water to water plants. Simple as that. A lot of ways to work around. I want to tell you guys, these little things getting onto here, to me, there are no ridges or threading in there, and to me it's hard to get on. So I think on my other one, I even cracked this piece right here. So I really don't know if you're supposed to take this piece off, which I don't have time to check and see, but these will go on like this. But for demonstrative purposes, and right now I don't have time, or I have to do it later, is you have your barrel set up, zip it up, and there you have it, the rain barrel. So two zippers, there's one spout, there's the overflow, and then the other spout is on the bottom here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just that easy. Collecting rainwater to water your garden. Happy gardening.